This is a really understudied river. In fact, the last major assessment of this river was done by the DNR, and this was, the report came out I think in 2000 or 2001. This dam is set to be removed next year, and so we thought we'd get a nice pre-restoration baseline so we can see what kind of successes, what kind of fish passage we'll get, and what maybe improved ecology we can get after the dam removal.
We're fishing usually 1 or 2 days a week, depending on how many fish we're catching, and once we catch them, we put them in the cooler, we weigh, measure, tag them if they're greater than 14 centimeters. Sometimes we'll take like a little tissue sample for genetic analysis, and then we'll usually throw them back. The study's important because we want to see how dams impact riverine ecosystems, and whether like removing a dam helps increase the biodiversity and the productivity of the ecosystem. We also want to see the contamination flow, like if it releases the sediments or helps reduce it.
You know, another reason why we're doing this is to just try to highlight the Flint River, right? Like we have these t-shirts that we actually produce and we give away free to the community. So, so people can support the Flint River. We're also setting up a walking tour around the Flint River with some QR codes. That'll be coming later this summer. So people can learn about the river a little bit more as they traverse it. So this is a dam that's been here for over a century, and for most of that period there's been no fast fish passage upstream.
The Flint River used to have lake sturgeon coming through, but now that there's a dam and there's other like contaminations, they're extirpated. So we're hoping to see them return to the river once the ecosystem's restored.
We really want to kind of understand what this area of the Flint River is like, especially before they remove the dam.
It's important for the livelihood of Flint residents, for like the fishery, and also recreation opportunities that hopefully we'll see when they put in the 6 rock rapids instead of having a big dam.